What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to buy a house with owner financing, sell it with owner financing, use none of your own money, create a fat check today to put in your pocket for active income or eat money like a wholesale deal, but also create a spread between the payments for long-term cash flow month after month, year after year to give you time and money freedom. Now if you learned something in today's video that nobody else is teaching you, all I ask is to consider subscribing. It would help the channel grow, and giving a thumbs up, it's going to help us be found in the algorithm so these videos can help more people. Now, here's what we're gonna do, guys. Here's the house. This is you, the cash flow investor in the middle. You're gonna sell the house as back-end buyer, but you're gonna buy it direct to the seller with owner financing. Two different owner financing transactions, okay? Here's how it's gonna look. You go to the seller, you make them your normal lowball cash offer, but you also make them offers on terms. Different types of down payments, different types of interest rates, but if it's a free and clear house, they may take this offer, and if they accept to sell the house to you for $100,000, $5,000 down payment, that's going to create a P&I payment or principal and interest payment of $453.54 if it's a 30-year mortgage at a 4% interest rate. Now the reason why your numbers are not working right now is because you're probably calculating that off of 100. If you're putting $5,000 down, you need to take $5,000 out of $100,000 and only create a financing, only use the financing off $95,000 if that makes sense. Okay? So this is what you need to start planning to do right now, guys. You need to get out in your marketplace, start looking for an attorney or a title company that's owner finance friendly, asking investors in your area, go into local meetups, find someone in your area that can help you draw up the paperwork needed to do these transactions, or find a title company that can help you close these. Make sure you're doing this efficiently and legally and doing it correctly, and you're gonna make a lot of money doing this. So I'm going to get this house under an option contract, just like how a wholesale deal would work, right? Think about it. You get a house under option contract, then you go find a buyer. Why not get a house under option contract to buy the house on these terms, and then find this buyer in the marketplace? You can do this ahead of time, or after you have a house under contract, start marketing it. And if they're willing to pay these terms, look at where the income comes from. You're gonna have a spread between the price, the down payment, and the cash flow numbers. So if they're willing to pay $120,000, obviously the more the better, and bring $15,000 down, obviously the more the better, but in this case, we're gonna use $15,000 down. That's a $10,000 spread between their down payment to you and your down payment to the original seller. Now you're gonna finance $105,000 because they're putting $15,000 down, which is gonna create a P&I payment if you did a 30-year loan at 9.25% of $863.81. Now before you guys get out there and start pounding the comment box, he's not talking about all these other fees and closing costs. I don't wanna confuse you guys. This is just the overall idea, the thought process to give you a catalyst to start running with this. It's gonna confuse too many people if I go off into all the little nuances of closing costs and fees. So I'm just kind of impressing upon you the strategy that you can go out there and replicate and duplicate in your market and take this from me. So if your payment that is owed to you by the back-end buyer is $863.81 and you owe $453.54 to the seller, that is a spread, a cash flow, net to you of $410.27. That's not bad, is it, right? Think about it. 10 of those, would that help you right now in the current situation that you're in? Would that even allow you to quit your job? What about just 5 of those? What about just 1 of those? That's pretty good, right? That could pay your car payment. But what about the spread between the down payments? They're paying you $15,000 down. You're only paying $5,000 down. This is a transactional income spread that goes directly in your pocket. So if you do this correctly, legally, with the right people in your corner to help you, you could technically bring zero money down. You can call for sale by owners right off Zillow, right off the internet. You can go door knocking. You can do low capital expenditure strategies, meaning you don't have to risk a lot in marketing, but high work ethic type of strategies, meaning it takes time to do them. But guys, if you do this right and understand this and you have enough knowledge about this and look into it enough, you can use your work ethic and your time, taking little or no risk and bringing no money to the table, making fat checks in the middle and long-term cash flow tomorrow. And this is why owner financing and creative financing is something that you don't have an option. It's a must, it's required to learn if you want to change your life. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did learn something different on this quick little video, thumbs up the video, share it around guys, help some other people, and subscribe to the channel. I'd be very, very much grateful to see you do that. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, guys, and you've been watching our channel for years, I know who you are. Just go ahead and do it one time. See you guys when I see you. Have a good day.